Imagine holding an asset that, no matter how volatile, has never failed to reward patient investors over a 4-year cycle. Did you imagine it? That's Bitcoin. Today, I want to show you why simply holding Bitcoin for 4 years can be a winning strategy, backed by history, data, and experience. My personal background, for those who are new to this channel, I'm Dr. Kushan. I've spent over 30 years in training and consulting in leadership, management, and finance. I've delivered professional development programs in 11 countries with over 200 organizations and trained more than 10,000 participants worldwide. Now, in training and consultancy, I've been systematically investing in Bitcoin and studying Bitcoin since 2017. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why holding Bitcoin for 4 years has proven to be a winning strategy and why it could still in the future. Here's the reality. Most investors in Bitcoin get shaken out. They buy when the price is high and panic when the price falls and sell at a loss. Why? Because they look at Bitcoin as a short-term gamble, not a long-term investment. But when you zoom out, the picture changes completely. Over any 4-year cycle in Bitcoin history, patient holders, what we call hodlers, have come out ahead. Let's examine the 4-year cycle. Bitcoin operates on a unique rhythm driven by what's called the halving cycle. About every 4 years, the number of new Bitcoins entering circulation is cut in half. This creates scarcity, and historically it has driven more price increases in the years that follow. Here's the key. If you hold Bitcoin across one full halving cycle, roughly 4 years, you've historically never lost. Bought in 2017, for example, by 2007, bought in 2013, for example, by 2017, you sitting on a massive gain. Bought in 2017 during the hype, by 2021, you were in profit again. Bought in 2021, say at the peak, if you hold until 25 end, around the end, history suggests the cycle could turn in your favor once again. To tell you frankly, in 2021, the peak was $69,000. And right now, in 2025, August, it's around $120,000. It's not really about timing the market what matters. It's really the time in the market. So let us examine why this really matters. In a competitive and uncertain world, most investments are tied to government, central bank, or company performance. Bitcoin is different. It's decentralized, and runs on math, not politics. The 4-year cycle gives us a framework to navigate Bitcoin's volatility. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about having a disciplined long-term approach. And as someone who spent decades helping leaders and professionals build strategies for success, I can tell you, discipline always wins over emotion. So what's the takeaway from this video? So here's the golden rule. Do not panic. Don't chase quick win. Hold Bitcoin 4 years and let the cycle work for you. It doesn't matter. It doesn't mean the ride will be entirely smooth. Far from it. But if history is any guide, patience in Bitcoin has been one of the most rewarding strategies in modern finance. So before we wrap up, it's important to note I'm not a financial advisor. The insights I've shared are based on my personal experience as a long-term Bitcoin investor and my professional background in leadership, management, and finance training across 11 countries. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Any investment, including Bitcoin, carries a certain amount of risk, and you should always do your own research and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making decisions. My goal is to give you frameworks and perspective to help you think long term and avoid emotional decisions. What you do with your knowledge is up to you. However, I hope and wish that you will benefit from this video. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend